Are you looking for the best laser cutter engravers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best laser cutter engravers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At the first position of our list we have the ORTUR Laser Master 2. The ORTUR Laser Master 2, which costs as little as $389.99, is perhaps the easiest and cheapest laser cutter I've ever used. Surprisingly, it is pretty simple to construct. It took me only about 15 to 20 minutes to put together and configure the machine before it became ready to start cutting it for the very first time. I found the 15W powered Laser Master 2's initial findings a bit unimpressive at best. However, with little experimenting and fine-tuning, it changed and proved to be quite capable. Seamless design. All I had to do was position the laser module on top of the runners of a square frame that is bolted together on an extruded tube. Apparently, this allows the tool head to move around the work area in the X and Y axes, which is all controlled by the computer integrated with a 32-bit main unit and 2 other stepper motors. The design is quite simple. Nothing too sophisticated really. How is the setup? Opening the small box takes just about 10 to 20 minutes for an experienced guy like me. But even beginners can complete it after about 30 to 40 minutes. Once done, I plugged it into a computer and loaded the software I preferred. For me, Laser Gerbil was the most convenient one to use. I tried it out with Lightburn, but it failed to function on my PC and Mac. Then I switched to Laser GRBL and it worked perfectly with the Windows system. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro. I was looking to get into some CNC and decided to order this machine. I watched some YouTube videos about the Genmitsu CNC 3018 PRO router kit Gerbil control, and I was convinced this was the unit I needed to challenge myself with. Good for the regular beginner. When I received my package, it came very well packaged, making it even easy to assemble. After downloading the drivers and software, I was ready to get into it all. But CNC is a continuous learning experience, and one may mess up a few times when getting started. Just like any CNC machine, all you have to do is direct the G-code and it does what you programmed it to. This cutter handles every detail particularly well. It might not make deep fast cuts, but it will do the job very accurately. Easy assembly. I bought this CNC cutter and I'm very happy with how easy it is to assemble. With just a few configurations, it will be up and running for you to do your first project. I got some end mills and they actually worked superb, especially when cutting out huge projects such as aluminum. The number 3rd position we have the Foxalien LA4040 Pro Desktop Laser Engraver 20W. LA4040 Pro Desktop Laser Engraver is designed with fast assembly and is simple use. As an amateur, hobbyist or beginner, you can use this machine to explore the engraving world to create your own works and have some fun while you're at it. What makes this product a smarter choice? It does the job. LE4040 comes with a 5000 mW Class 4 laser unit that can engrave and cut different types of material such as plywood, leather, cardboard, acrylic, etc. What's more is that the laser focus is adjustable, but one has to always use protective wear while operating. Its SOS 1000 laser power range can reach an optimum engraving speed of 3000 mm per minute, which really helped out when I was doing some bamboo carvings. The belt-driven X and Y axis helps reduce working noise. Pretty easy to assemble. This laser engraver takes about 10 to 20 minutes to fully assemble. The main parts actually come pre-assembled and there is no complicated installation at all. I thought this was quite considerate, especially for beginners and professionals who don't want a hassle. Compatible software. Foxalien LA4040 is compatible with laser software such as Gerbil, GRBL Control, Candle, Lightburn, and more. I use Windows 10, but I found it convenient when I felt like using my Mac OS just for curiosity. You can also use Windows XP, if you still do, Windows the 8th of July 10, and even Linux. It's all up to you there. Next at number 4 we have the LaserPecker L1 Super Pro Laser Machine. Similar to the premium brands mentioned in this list, LaserPecker is also a high-end brand. Initially, I was surprised by the unbelievably high price point. However, after testing it out, I found that it was worth every penny that I spent. Wide application options. This engraving machine is a little compact in design. However, it still comes with incredible features that let you cut through several types of materials, including paper, wood, fabric, leather, felt, and even fruit. It also has a patented easy etcher that cuts through these materials with maximum accuracy and precision. Come with in-app editing features. Whether you are engraving or cutting through a material, it is nice to have a guide to let you know how you are working under the laser. That is why this engraving machine comes with an in-app editing feature as well as a preview mode to help position the laser properly before you get started. I found this extremely useful, especially while engraving on tiny objects and surfaces. Comes with an auto-focusing support stand. The best feature about this engraving machine is that it has an auto-focusing support stand to help measure the distance between the object and the laser. If the distance needs to be adjusted, the inbuilt sensors on the autofocus stand adjust the height automatically to ensure optimal distance. How cool is that? And finally, at number 5th position we have the Atomstack A5 Pro 40W Laser Cutter. The price of all the above-mentioned laser cutter engraver tools is quite high. However, they are all loaded with all the right features to make them worth their price. But what if you are shopping on a budget? Is it still possible to get high-quality engraving machines to laser engrave your designs? Yes, absolutely. And according to my research, the Atomstack A5 Pro 40W laser cutter stands as the best laser cutter under $500. Decent working space. Unlike the other ones on this list, this laser cutting machine comes with a working area of 16 x 15 inches. And while this might not be the biggest in shape, it is still compact enough for small projects and workshops. Moreover, this engraving machine comes with a solid metal development arrangement. This helps to simplify the working process of the engraving cutting machine and makes the machine more durable. Reasonable laser power. Because of the average price point, this Laser Master has a cutting speed that runs at 40W laser power, which is more than enough for smaller projects. However, while using this laser cutter, I noticed that my engraving experience was very premium, and the results of the 3D printing were very high quality. This is something that blew my mind, mostly because of the affordable price point. Comes with a fixed focus laser power. I was also very impressed with the Atomstack A5 Pro 40W laser cutter's fixed focus laser, which is a rare feature among most laser cutters. This is because this model comes with a 455 nanometers spectrum diode laser that can engrave materials uniquely and efficiently. In addition to this, the cutter also comes with convenient removable drivers that can be easily replaced without much hassle when needed. You will also find a third stepper driver socket, but it is not very cramped up within the machine. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.